Hello, it's Liz from Old Stables Crafts. Thank you very much for joining me for another Simple Stamping Saturday. And I'm going to be using the Sharing Sunshine stamp set, which is on page 39 of the annual catalogue. And the main reason I'm using that today is because we finally got summer. The UK finally has half decent weather. So of course we're all now going to be complaining it's too hot. But I thought it was a really good excuse to get the Sharing Sunshine stamp set out. So let me show you what I am going to make for you. So this is my little note card. It's inspired by the picture in the catalogue, which is this one here. Particularly when I come to the stepped up versions, you'll see that there is some similarity, but that's what the catalogue is there for. Use it for inspiration. So let me get started. We need two ink pads and a basic white note card and envelope. So basic white note card and envelope, and let's get started. So I'm going to be doing it landscape. I normally do portrait, but every now and again I like to change it up, just to keep you on your toes. So I've got Bumblebee and Cinnamon Cider. These are from the in colours that are on their last year. So these ones will be going next year. So Bumblebee, stamping off, and there's the crease. So I'm going to pop my first stamp down there, like that. Don't need that one anymore. Then I'm going to grab, where's it gone? There it is. I'm going to do these in a slight, actually no, I can do them in the right order. Let's be decisive. So I'm inking the centre in Bumblebee and stamping off, and then just pop that into the middle of the rays. We will need this again, but not for a moment. So next is Cinnamon Cider, and there's a half sun ray as one of the stamps. Now you need this to be slightly further out from this centre than you maybe think you do. Just saying. Not convinced I've got it in the right place. Better than it has been. And then again, there we are. So there's our ray. So now we need our smiley face. We get a choice of faces. I'm going to go a little straighter. So we get a smiley face, and we also get a kind of sleepy face. So you can turn this into the moon if you want, or just have a slightly sleepy sunshine. Either's good. Actually, I'll need that. So, happy birthday. And that's going to come down here. And basically, I'm coming down far enough that it will fit between the edge of the card and the sun. So that's happy birthday in Cinnamon Cider. That's everything we need in Cinnamon Cider for the moment. So, Bumblebee back in. And I've got Sunshine mounted up. Now, unusually for me, I've got this on a straight, this is the G block. I normally put sentiments on a larger block crooked, but it seems to be working. It's fine. And then I've got the little dot, and we can give him some kind of rosy cheeks. I mean, obviously they're not rosy, they're Bumblebee, but you get the idea. So that is our little card. And then we just fold it on that score line. A bone folder is a really good idea so that you can get a nice crisp fold at the top of your card, like that. And then for the envelope, I'm just going to stamp the sun down in the bottom corner. But I'm going to go full strength Bumblebee, and I'm deliberately going off. So full strength Bumblebee, second generation Bumblebee, and then full strength for the eyes. I've just realised I didn't clean the stamp before I went from cinnamon cider into Bumblebee, but fortunately I had stamped, so it'll be fine. And there we have our sunshine all in one colour on the front. So there we go, lots of stamps for a really cute card, which I think is perfect for the UK weather this weekend because it is sunny. Right, so we now need to look at the stepped up versions. So my first stepped up version is this, and this really is where I got the inspiration from the catalogue. So I copied this background. So I've got cinnamon cider on cinnamon cider. Then I've used some circle dies to die cut the 2 layers of the sun. Then I've got some Bumblebee gingham ribbon. Then I can never remember what this one's called. It is fine art ribbon. Just so that it's got a little bit of gold in it. Really for no other reason. And then I've just manually flagged the end of the sentiment. And I've got some of my current favourite in colour jewels, and these are the pale papaya ones, which on this background have that lovely yellow iridescence. So there we go. And then on the inside I've stamped the sun, but without the solid circle. So that's my first stepped up version. And then this is the next one where I've done exactly the same background, but this time I've heat embossed in gold. And then I've heat embossed in gold on the sun as well. Added a little bit of gold twine, and that's from the Simply Elegant Trim pack. And then heat embossed the Happy Birthday. I've switched out, oh no, I kept it the same, sorry. I've got the sunshine in Bumblebee, kept the ribbons. Now, here's a cheat. Because this isn't seen anywhere other than here, it's only about to there. Just saying, why waste ribbon? This I've used the Take Your Pick banner punch, which we had quite some while ago. I mean, it's still in the catalogue, but it was the first of the Take Your Pick punches. And then I've got this mounted on a piece of gold foil, which I have gutted, so it's actually only about 1/2 inch frame. I've switched to the champagne rhinestones, and then on the inside I've done my little sun again. Now, this is stuck. So I've just stuck this down with some Tombow, the multi-purpose liquid adhesive, so that isn't going anywhere, so it's nicely staying in place, framing the happy. So there you go, those are my 3 projects. I hope you've enjoyed those. If you did, please give them a thumbs up. Do remember that if you've got any questions or comments, you can leave those below in the below the description bar. If you would like any of these products and you're in the UK, then there's a link to my online store below, and there'll be a list of all the products that I've used on my website, which again is listed below. This is actually one of the lowest cost stamp sets in the catalogue. It's just £15. So it's a really great set, and with just 2 ink pads and a set of note cards, you're away. So there we go. Have a fantastic weekend. I hope to see you again very soon. Do remember, if you don't already subscribe, you can by clicking the subscription button in the bottom right hand corner. Do remember to give it a thumbs up, and I will look forward to seeing you again very soon. Bye!